Hi guys. A lot of females don't want a man, they want a project. Let me explain. A lot of women want to mold a man. People seek out others that are the most similar to them. So broken females are gonna seek out broken men because that's who she identifies with. The problem is that a lot of women are broken. Even if you yourself are not a broken man, this is the type of woman that will actually try to break you just to build you back up and say she was responsible for your growth. Just to be able to say that you couldn't have done it without her. That way, when the day does come that you actually wake up and realize your worth, she'll be able to not only hold it over your head, but also make you feel forever indebted to her because of it. I mean, after all, where on earth would you be without her? Women like this actively seek out and prey on men during vulnerable times because it's easier to get into their minds because their guards are already down. That's why I tell men the very best thing that you can do after a breakup is to spend time with yourself and people who genuinely have your best interest at heart, because there's healing in that. Even if the relationship wasn't that deep, every single encounter you have with someone affects you differently. The worst, and I repeat, the worst thing you can possibly do is to try to party and drink your feelings away, because you'll run into this type of woman. Contrary to the lies, a lot of women actually do want to change you, no matter how much they say they don't or this is not their agenda. Why? Because a lot of women are insecure and they can't take a man how he is. They can't take a man how he comes. A lot of women always feel the need to improve or upgrade a person, and it's because they feel that a man needs to be molded. Women love to be that girl that a man changed for. So she can brag to everyone about how he could have had anyone that he wanted, but he wanted just her. How he was willing to change for her, when in all reality, he was manipulated into changing. They want to be able to say that they achieved something, that they were able to help him become who he is now. It's really just all about ego. I can't tell you guys the amount of times that I've heard, girl, I can change him. All he needs is this. And my response is almost always the same. Well, have you asked him what he actually wants? And 10 times out of 10, the answer is no, because at that point, she's taking full control of the relationship and she's full-fledged into project mode. So be on the lookout for these women, because they're definitely on the lookout for you. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.